guys, so we just went to the hotel. We were not in the hotel, but we're gonna go there. Okay guys, so we just made it to the hotel. We have to book it, and then let's see if the hotel's good or not. I'm really excited, and my parents said that
We can have
my
snacks.
parents said that we can go to the pool later, so we'll update you when we're at the pool.
But first, we're gonna have some snacks.
But first, I'm gonna have some snacks because I'm gonna. Ooh, what should I have? Okay, guys, I'm just getting it. It's called passion fruit. So good, but a little bit sour. Okay, guys, let's try. Ooh! First it's that sour, then it comes sweet.
Nice.
You wanna try some, guys? Made it to the hotel room, and it has stairs. Look at that. Guys, we just went swimming right before it closed, so we didn't get a proper time. We only got like 10 minutes, but tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach even better. So now we're going to the hotel room. We're gonna bathe, get in our dinner outfit, and go to dinner. We'll see you guys there.
Super windy right now. I think it's gonna be a stormy day today, but we're at the beach for a little bit. And I is surely having fun. That's what it is. Thank you.
Stand in the doorway, both of you. Come. Okay, I'll go first. Does it look real?
Whoa! Whoa!
You get to control something with this one? Oh, okay. That's pretty good.
Talk about it.
God, I don't even know what to say. That was so realistic. Guys, I did that. It was so realistic. And it was moving. Oh my god. I'm dizzy now.
Forest member, just look at all of them and decide.
Guys, I'm ordering cotton candy. Look, it's literally big. It is running. Let's go so close. I let's go. By the way, guys, we ordered this cotton candy. So, it's making it right now.
Oh, look, it's gonna shape it now. It's making a pattern now.